Zyvox Suspension, Reconstituted, is an antibiotic used to treat certain serious bacterial infections. It works by stopping the growth of bacteria. This antibiotic treats only bacterial infections and will not work for viral infections, such as the common cold or flu. Using any antibiotic when it is not needed can cause it to not work for future infections. Zyvox Suspension, Reconstituted also belongs to a class of drugs known as MAO inhibitors. It can increase the levels of certain natural substances in the body, such as dopamine, norepinephrine, and serotonin, which can increase the chance of certain side effects and food and drug interactions. Be sure to follow the recommended daily dosage and take it at the optimal time for the best results. When taking Zyvox Suspension, Reconstituted, it's important to follow the dosage instructions provided by your doctor. Typically, it is taken every 12 hours, but for children, the dosage may be every 8 hours and is based on their age and weight. Before each dose, be sure to mix the suspension by gently turning the bottle upside down 3 to 5 times. Use a special measuring device to carefully measure the dose, as household spoons may not provide the correct amount. It's crucial to follow a special diet recommended by your doctor or dietitian to limit your intake of tyramine while taking this medication. This means avoiding certain foods and beverages such as aged cheeses, dried/aged meats, and red wine. Your doctor or dietitian can provide more details and a complete list of other foods containing tyramine that you should limit or avoid. To ensure the best effect, take this antibiotic at evenly spaced times, and try to take it at the same times every day to help you remember. It's important to continue taking the medication until the full prescribed amount is finished, even if your symptoms improve. And be sure to inform your doctor if your condition lasts or gets worse. Some common side effects of Zyvox Suspension, Reconstituted may include diarrhea, headache, nausea, vomiting, or dizziness. However, if any of these effects persist or worsen, it is important to inform your doctor or pharmacist right away. It's essential to remember that this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. While many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects, it's important to seek medical attention if you experience any of the following: rapid breathing, unusual drowsiness, persistent nausea/vomiting, numbness/tingling in the hands or feet, extreme fatigue, or easy bruising/bleeding. In rare cases, Zyvox Suspension, Reconstituted may cause a severe intestinal condition due to a bacteria called C. difficile. It's important to notify your doctor if you experience diarrhea that does not stop, as well as abdominal or stomach pain/cramping or blood/mucus in your stool. Additionally, prolonged or repeated use of this medication may result in oral thrush or a new yeast infection. If you notice white patches in your mouth, changes in vaginal discharge, or any new symptoms, it's crucial to contact your doctor. Furthermore, Zyvox Suspension, Reconstituted may increase serotonin levels and rarely cause a very serious condition called serotonin syndrome/toxicity. If you experience symptoms such as fast heartbeat, hallucinations, severe dizziness, or unexplained fever, it's important to seek medical help immediately. This medication may also rarely cause an extremely high blood pressure crisis, which can be fatal. If you experience severe headache, chest pain, or sudden sensitivity to light, it's important to seek medical help right away. In rare cases, a serious allergic reaction to this drug may occur. If you notice symptoms such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, it's crucial to seek medical help immediately. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not mentioned. In the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. If you are in Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking Zyvox Suspension, Reconstituted, make sure to tell your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to it or if you have any other allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems. It's important to discuss this with your pharmacist for more details. Before using this medication, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have high blood pressure, blood/bone marrow problems, kidney problems, liver problems, certain tumor conditions, overactive thyroid, or seizures. Zyvox Suspension, Reconstituted may contain aspartame, so if you have phenylketonuria, PKU, or any other condition that requires you to limit or avoid aspartame, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist about using this medication safely. Be cautious when consuming alcohol or marijuana, cannabis, while taking this medication, as it can make you dizzy. It's best to avoid driving, using machinery, or doing anything that requires alertness until you can do it safely. And it's important to limit alcoholic beverages and consult your doctor if you are using marijuana, cannabis. If you have diabetes, Zyvox Suspension, Reconstituted may lower your blood sugar, so be sure to check your blood sugar regularly and share the results with your doctor. It's important to tell your doctor right away if you experience symptoms of low blood sugar. Your doctor may need to adjust your diabetes medication, exercise program, or diet. It's important to note that this medication may cause live bacterial vaccines to not work well, so be sure to inform your healthcare professional that you are using Zyvox Suspension, Reconstituted before having any immunizations or vaccinations. Before undergoing surgery, be sure to tell your doctor or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, this medication should only be used when clearly needed, so it's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. And if you are breastfeeding, it's important to consult your doctor before using this medication. It's important to be aware of drug interactions that may change how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. The risk of serotonin syndrome/toxicity may increase if you are taking other drugs that increase serotonin, so it's important to be cautious when taking Zyvox Suspension, Reconstituted. Some products can interact with this medication if taken together, or even if taken weeks before or after taking Zyvox Suspension, Reconstituted. Also, taking other MAO inhibitors with this medication may cause a serious and possibly fatal drug interaction, so it's crucial to consult your doctor before taking any other medications with Zyvox Suspension, Reconstituted. Additionally, before using Zyvox Suspension, Reconstituted, it's important to report the use of drugs that may increase the risk of extremely high blood pressure, hypertensive crisis, when combined with this medication. Be sure to talk to your doctor or pharmacist for more details and to discuss any concerns you may have. If someone has taken too much Zyvox Suspension and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's crucial to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call the local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. It's important to remember not to share this medication with others. Zyvox Suspension, Reconstituted is prescribed specifically for your current condition and should not be used for another infection unless instructed by your doctor. While taking this medication, you may need to undergo lab and/or medical tests such as complete blood count and blood sodium levels. If you take linezolid for 3 months or longer, or if you experience vision changes, it's important to have eye tests done. Make sure to keep all medical and lab appointments. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next dose at the scheduled time. Never take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When storing Zyvox Suspension, Reconstituted, make sure to keep it at room temperature and away from light and moisture. It's important not to store it in the bathroom and to discard any unused portion after 21 days. Remember to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of the medication, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Make sure to properly discard the product and it is expired or no longer needed. If you have any questions about how to dispose of the medication, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.